Welcome to Tech Tales Online, where we tell stories about the birth of technology. Today, we'll be discussing the creation of React and how it changed the world of web development. Imagine you're a chef trying to make a complex dish, but all your ingredients are scattered around the kitchen. You don't know where to begin, and you're getting frustrated. That's how Jordan Walk, a software engineer at Facebook, felt when he was tasked with creating a user interface for the company's newsfeed. The codebase was a mess, and he couldn't keep track of everything. But then, Jordan had a revelation. What if he could break the interface down into smaller, more manageable pieces, like chopping up ingredients for a recipe? And so, he began to experiment with a new tool that he called React. At first, his colleagues were skeptical, like a group of diners who had never heard of a particular ingredient. But as they tasted the results of Jordan's work, they realized that React was a game changer. It allowed developers to create user interfaces using small, reusable components, like putting together a dish with various ingredients. And just like a chef can reuse ingredients across different dishes, developers could reuse code across different parts of an application, making it easier to maintain and reducing the amount of duplicate code. But the real magic of React was in its virtual DOM, which was like a blueprint for the interface. With traditional web development, manipulating the DOM directly was like trying to build a house without any blueprints. It was messy, inefficient, and hard to change. But with React's virtual DOM, developers could update the interface much more efficiently, like following a set of detailed blueprints to build a house. And so, React quickly became one of the most popular front-end development tools in the world. It was like discovering a new ingredient that revolutionized the culinary world. Today, millions of developers use React to build websites and applications, and it continues to evolve and improve with each passing day. In conclusion, the story of React teaches us that by breaking down complex problems into smaller, more manageable pieces, and using clever tools like the virtual DOM, we can create technology that changes the world.